Yes? Ching, China, China. Salam, salam. I found Kurdish people in this region, they are a little bit shy compared with Turkish. They are staring at you, but they don't come up and talk to you unless you make the first move. Hello YouTube, this is Yan. I am on my longest way back home from Europe to China, and right now I am in Dubai. Today I am going to have a surprise for you. I am traveling with my boyfriend Flo.
Hello.
And we are going to the oldest civilization in the Middle East. Initially this country is not on my list, but Flo is very interested in that country, and now we are in the airport. Our flight will take off in half an hour.
Yes, and if you listen carefully, you might know which country we are heading to. It's gonna be the amazing country of Iraq. I know there's been a lot of going on in the news recently, but the region we are traveling to will be the northern part of Iraq, which is called also the Iraqi Kurdistan, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've been willing to visit this region for a while. I have some great friends who come from this region, and I'm really looking forward to it. So be posted for the next video from Iraq.
We have safely arrived in Iraq, so this is our visa. Actually the visa is quite easy. We paid €75 each person and then we get a visa. And then the border control took only 2 minutes. This is my room. We finally arrived. We stayed at a very nice hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. But I also know that my trip in Iraq will be kind of luxurious. And at the reception, the guy helped us to upgrade the room. So now we have a suite, and this is a living room. And Flo is there waiting to go out and have dinner. This is the bathroom. It's pretty huge, and let me show you the other room before it gets messy. So this is a bedroom. It's pretty huge, and I am super satisfied with what we have. This is the view outside our hotel window. That's the old city of Citadel. This is a mosque. But this morning, first of all, we need to solve some practical issues. We're going to get some cash and get the SIM card, and afterwards we're going to visit some of the most famous attractions in Erbil.
Yeah, so the first one will be the Jalil Khayat Mosque, which is the biggest mosque in Erbil, I believe, and which has a pretty unique architecture compared to other mosques here. And then finally we'll go to the Citadel and the bazaars which are surrounding the Citadel. It's quite interesting though. People start working quite late actually, so I mean, I think it's because it's super hot during the day and things happen rather in the evening. So yesterday we went out to the bazaars and it's very, very packed in the evenings. And during the day, shops and things open not before 11 a.m. But which makes sense because now it's like 10 a.m. and it's already burning because it's like 35 degrees or something, or even 40, I don't know. Today it's predicted to be 45 degrees. So let's see how it goes.
Salam.
Hello.
To take a taxi in Iraq, you can use the app. It's called Carring. It's very commonly used in many of the Arabic countries, right?
Yes, yeah, I've used it in Pakistan and UAE. You can also use it, and I think many more countries use it.
This is the biggest mosque in the Kurdistan region. It covers the area of more than 3,000 square meters, and when it comes to style, I found it's like a combination of the mosque that I've seen in Turkey as well as the mosque in Iran. Because when it comes to the volume, like the size, the shape, it resembles the mosque that I've seen in Istanbul. But when it comes to the facade decorating, for example, these colored tiles as well as the mirror work inside the mosque, it really resembles the mosque that I've seen in Iran. The mosque was closed from the outside, and then we were asking them if we can go inside, and the guy at the entrance, he was very kind, so he let us in. This is a very, very beautiful mosque. Yes, China, China. Salam, salam. I found Kurdish people in this region, they are a little bit shy compared with Turkish. They are staring at you, but they don't come up and talk to you unless you make the first move. Salam. The population of this region is a bit mixed. There are some Kurdish people, but also the Arabs. For example, you can really see from the way they dress. So that is the Arab robe, and this is the Kurdish. Salam, salam. That's the Kurdish baggy pants. Iraqi Kurds are tea lovers. On average, they drink maybe 1.5 kilos of black tea, and this is one typical traditional tea house. It's also a social space, especially for the men. After work, we often come here for a cup of tea, eat some sunflower seeds, and play domino. Behind me, this is Citadel, and it's located in the middle of Erbil city on a small hill. And surrounding the Citadel has been the modern city of Erbil. Citadel is also one of the oldest continuously inhabited places on the earth, starting from 6,000 years ago. And this place has been a very busy place, especially at the sunset. Many people come here to relax, have a tea, or simply enjoy the beautiful view. Inside Citadel, it's very, very big, but there are not so much things to do. There are some museums, and most of the old city are still under renovation, and it has been under renovation for many years. For example, this is one of the buildings restored. Some of the architecture style, they are very, very Kurdish. And this column, for me, it looks a little bit like some of the palaces in Iran. Today's video is very short because we only have one day to visit Erbil, and starting from tomorrow we are going on a 6-day trip in the Kurdistan, Iraq. So I hope my video can help you to learn more about the country of Iraq. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.